Staying in the Cracker Barrel last night, I woke up to have a subscriber leave a note on my window. That she was in the parking lot also, and she was showing me her van, and this van has been custom built by Midwest Van Builders, Johnny's Journey on YouTube. Johnny is the one that just put my window in, but check out this van. She's got the seat that turns around here, the swivel, with the little lagoon table. This van has the shelf above it here. Some people extend those out, some people don't. She has her refrigerator under this bench, but she made this extra bench here longer to make an extra bed so that her sister can travel with her. Oh, look at the decorations. Isn't that cool? She's got plenty of storage there. 4 drawers. She's got 3 drawers over here and 2 cabinets with the built-in sink. She's even got a microwave. These fans are awesome. I want one of these fans. Maybe someday I'll get one of those fans. I'll put it on my wish list. Love the colors. Love the decoration. The little lights in the ceiling. The bed there. Storage under there. And it smells brand new. Oh, she's got a spice rack here. Very nice van. Again, built out by Midwest Van Builders. Johnny's Journey. See you on the road, my friend.
Yeah, so I took my van to the Van Nationals, and there were about 850 vans through the gate, and my van won what's called the Flying Eagle Award, which vanners think it's the most coveted award in vanning because you get one chance to win it, and that's the first time your van shows up at the Nats. And we won it this year.
Yay! Let's just take a look inside here of this award-winning van. Oh, look at this door. Isn't this gorgeous?
No, go right ahead. I pulled it over.
We've seen it on video, but
beautiful. And congratulations to you and your van. Everybody's coming to take a look at this award-winning van that Midwest Van Builders, Johnny's Journey on YouTube, built. And it is absolutely gorgeous.
margaritas sound a heck of a lot easier.
Inside and out.
Hello everybody, we're at Johnny Journey's Meetup here in Fred Rock, Campground, outside of Fredericktown, Missouri, having a blast.
And your YouTube channel is?
I am Gracie with Gracie and Jacques Adventures.
Thank you,
Thank you, Mona.
See you, Gracie.
How many you want?
We got the pancake breakfast going here. Everybody's in line to get their pancakes. There's Lynn with Milo, Otis, and me. We're going to have us some breakfast here. This is what it looks like after everybody has ate. We're just chilling out. It's a cloudy day. It's still hot, but it's cloudy. And everybody's just hanging out and visiting. We're fixing to do a group photo with the yellow Johnny's Journey t-shirts. I got to go get mine put on. Looks like Crystal is up. Y'all check out her air conditioner. She took this back window out, made a board to fit in there, installed a little air conditioner. She's got a metal brace under there. And she's got her shore power that goes into the wall right there. And she has air conditioning. Isn't that cool?
Hi, my name is Tim. My channel is Mobile Yobot.
What do you travel in, Tim?
In the 2008 Toyota Sienna minivan.
Okay, y'all go check out Mo Bang for Your Bucks on his YouTube channel.
Oh, it's a mess right now.
It's a mess because he is the, stop right there.
Oh, Lord.
He is the egg roll king, and he just got done cooking us egg rolls.
It's a mess.
But you can go to his channel, Mo Bangs for Your Buck, and see his van.
Like that, so then here's the reality of van life. That's okay.
And people have come over to check out his van. They see it on video on his YouTube channel, but they've never seen it in person. See you on the road, Tim. This is a cute little transit here. Let's see if anybody's home. Nobody's home. Maybe we'll catch that one later. Oh. Look at this. Somebody has their plants on the road with them. Is this not cool? Who says you can't have cinnamon rolls in the van when you don't have an oven? I'm fixing to show you how you can. And look, my friend made these for me. Isn't that cool? I love them. Thank you, my friend. You know who you are. But back to serious business. Let me show you how to cook cinnamon rolls in your van. Now, I can cook these in my egg bite maker and make regular cinnamon rolls, but I like them in the waffle maker. They are crispy and good. So you just load two, close the lid, plug it up. There you go. We'll have cinnamon rolls here in just a few minutes. It's starting to smell like cinnamon rolls. Now you'll see it'll steam. Let's take a look at them. Oh, those are looking good. I got the icing ready to put on them. And I've got my chocolate milk ready to go.
I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy,